See ya. .68 degrees out. Well folks, good morning. Welcome to another ride. Today is a special ride because I've got a special guest on the back of my bike. My wife. Hey, wave to the camera here, Donna. Donna's with me today, and we're going to be going to check out a couple of RV dealerships, and we're going to go to a sewing machine warehouse store. That's the main hook for her to come on this ride. And we're also going to go have a nice lunch at a Chinese buffet in Conroe. So should be a nice ride, and today is going to be a perfect day, so here we go. Don't you go. Here we are at Scotts Ridge Recreational area, and I'm gonna take a little small break before we continue on our ride. It's been great. I think Donna's enjoying herself so far. You can't hear, guys, but she said yes. But what a day, eh? It's like 70 degrees out here. This is fantastic. I think this is the first time I'm going to be taking this 360 camera across the Rotary Friendship Bridge. Beautiful day on Lake Conroe. Here we are at Ron Hoover RVs, RV and Marine Center. We're here to see if they have any toy hauler motorhomes. We just left Holiday World, dropped in there right next door to Ron Hoover's actually, and I forgot to turn the camera on, but they didn't have any Class A toy haulers that we would be interested in anyway. They were suggesting that we go check out their store in Alvarado, Texas, and that's not too far from Fort Worth. So that's not for today. Here we just finished visiting the sewing machine, sewing and vacuum warehouse after having a nice lunch at Kioku Supreme Buffet. So now we're heading back home. Let's get going.